This tiny display can count numbers using Arduino. Let's build it. In this project, we will control a 7-segment display using Arduino without any library. We only need a few components: an Arduino board, a 7-segment display, resistors, and some jumper wires. A 7-segment display is made of 7 small LEDs, labeled from A to G. This is a common anode display, which means the common pins go to 5 volts, and each segment turns on when the signal is low. Each segment must use a resistor to protect the LEDs. We control each segment manually using digital write, without any external library. Now, the display counts from 0 to 9, changing every second. This is a great beginner project to understand how displays work with Arduino.